All right, I hope you guys can hear me because it is a little windy out here today, so I'm going to try to talk a little louder. I need to start wearing my Bluetooth mic because I do use the DJI camera. You know, I've been using the DJI camera for years, you know, but I mean, I'm just so excited. Oh yeah, I mean, as you can tell, I have cut my beard, Auto Lust Gang, so you know, it's no more, you know, Duck Dynasty going on, you know, trying something different, you know. I've had a beard for about 6 years and it definitely looks, you know, it's a lot cleaner this way. But back to the good news. I know you guys have been wondering and waiting, you know, when is this guy gonna tune, like when is this guy's gonna tune Sasha? Sasha needs to be tuned. She has all of these mods, all of these upgrades, and she still haven't been tuned. So when am I gonna tune Sasha? To answer your question, I mean, in the immediate, I mean, as immediately as possible. You know, if the tuner was ready to go, she'll be tuned today. So that's good news. Sasha is finally getting tuned. But the thing about that tune is, it's a, you know, it's a, not really a crazy type of tune, but this isn't gonna be her first tune. You know, because she is extremely modified right now. Built engine, built transmission, exhaust, turbos, fuel system, like literally everything you can do to a BMW has been times 10 on Sasha. Like it's not another BMW on the road that has her mods. People are just starting to catch up to the things I've done to Sasha. I mean, big YouTube BMW racers are just starting to, you know, copy and paste my mods that I've done 4 years ago. So it's crazy and it's exciting to see that, and I'm not pissed about it because this is for the BMW community. So I'm glad for them to, you know, finally figure these things out to get more power out of our cars. But yeah, this tune that I have now, you know, we're hoping to get around, you know, somewhere around 1,000 all-wheel horsepower. That's what we're, you know, trying to get for right now. And then when Sasha has her, because I do plan on going full frame turbos, getting rid of her stage 2.5 because they're extremely custom stage 2 turbos that, I mean, flow a ton more air. I'm not even gonna get into that because that's proprietary too as of right now. So full frame turbos, stronger internals. We will be rebuilding the engine again with 300 horsepower per cylinder pistons and rods, which is crazy. If you never saw those pistons and rods that I have, I'll leave a link for the video for you to check those out. But yeah, so I'm thinking with the mods I have now and the tune, if everything goes great, I could easily get the world record how she sits. And then when I do her do-over, you know, she'll be, I mean, I'll get so deep in the world record territory with the SUVs, nobody should ever be able to follow me, you know. So that's what we're hoping for. But yeah, guys, I didn't want to make this a huge video, you know. I just wanted you guys to know that, you know, I'm still out here, you know, like I just been doing a bunch of personal stuff, you know, like getting a few other things together and stuff, things that I needed to do forever ago that I'm happy I'm finally getting done. So make my what is it called, quality of life a lot better. And I know you watching these videos make your quality of life a lot better as well. So I'm going to try to make them more be consistent as possible. But I mean, you can't stop real life once the camera goes off. So, you know, I gotta pay attention to my real life also. So I really appreciate you guys for sticking with me this long. I know this was a great update. Sasha will be tuned very, very soon, and I can't wait to see exactly how much power she makes on the dyno. And I'm gonna start going to test and tune Wednesdays, doing no time runs, because we don't need everybody in our business. But I can't wait to bust some cars' ass on that drag strip. You know, I mean, because Sasha's, let me get back on her. You can see the tail end of it there. Sasha is a big, heavy 5,300 pound animal, and when she goes down that track, I swear people think she's 1,200 pounds. But yeah, you know, I really appreciate you guys again. Like, share, and subscribe, and Auto Lust out.